Hi there, this is Mr. Clark, and I'm going to show you how to take a screenshot of your work, save it, and then post it to our Edmodo class group. So you're going to take your SketchUp model, and you want to get a good view of it. So if you're zoomed way out here, when you take a screenshot, it's going to be very, very small. So you want to try and zoom it in and orbit around till you get like a very good view of your model, and try and get as much detail as you can. Alright, that's pretty decent. So now I'm going to go down to the bottom left-hand corner in the search bar, and I'm going to search for the snipping tool, Snipping. You can type it out, or you can start typing the word snipping, and it should pop up. It looks like this. So I'm going to click on this app. And now it's going to pop up with this little box. I'm going to click the new button, N-E-W, new, for a new snip. So I'm going to snip it out. I'm going to cut it out. So I'm going to probably take this section right here. That looks pretty good. If you mess up, no problem. Just click the new button again, and then just define your space. So there we go. Now I'm going to save this. I'm going to go to File, Save As, and make sure we're saving everything to our OneDrive. So if you haven't set that up yet, make sure you do that. I'm going to go to my OneDrive. And I'm going to go to SketchUp. So Google SketchUp, there we go. And I'm going to change it, title, 3D Underground Habitat. Ready? I'm going to save that to my OneDrive. I'm going to use the minus sign, the minimize sign at the top. I'm going to go over to Edmodo, sign in using your alpha code and birthday. And I'm going to go to my latest post up here where it says post a screenshot of your progress even if you're not finished. Make sure you include a brief description of your environment you picked and some of the features that make your design fantastic. So right here in the comments, you're going to type nice descriptions of your work. Obviously this is not the description, but you get the idea. And then I'm going to attach my file. So I'm going to click attach file. I'm going to go to my OneDrive, go to Google SketchUp, and I'm going to do the picture that I just made. Click it, open, and there it is. And then click comment, and it pops up. So make sure you post it as a reply to this post. Don't just do a separate one up here. Make sure you reply to this post. And then that way we can share it with everybody in our class. Alrighty, thanks for watching.